Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Mark, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the White House dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to become president, guys. Hopefully there is no president, and if there's a president we can just take him out and become president anyways. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 13 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 4 of them on the ground just like that. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 fur on this side. Then go ahead and jump on down and then place 1, 2, 3 fur on this side and then 2 in the middle, guys, and boom, you are finished. It should look exactly like this. Make sure it looks exactly like this, and after it looks like this, you just want to go ahead and take your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? Don't that look absolutely amazing? Let's go ahead and head on into this dimension now, guys. Hopefully I am not a senior by the time I make it to this dimension. Oh my god. Whoa, did you guys see that? The side of the frame almost killed me. That would have been crazy if I would have died that way, guys. Like, really crazy. But whoa, guys. Look how huge the White House is. And oh my god, this must be a secret agent pig. And has your eyes been closed or something? Because there's like a tsunami or whatever those things are called coming right for the White House. He might have been off duty or something, guys. He might have been taking a duty. That's more like it, guys. Because I do not know how that would get by you. Like, that's crazy, guys. Like, this whole entire White House is about to be flooded with water. And he didn't say anything about it. Or didn't do anything about it. That's really crazy, guys. That is really crazy. And if I become president, I'm going to have to change that, guys. Oh my god, there's already a president. What? President Chicken? And oh my god, I can't even be vice president now because I've done named Piggy-O vice president. Wow, that is crazy, guys. That is absolutely crazy. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and play a sad song on the piano. What? I can't even play the piano because it's broke? That is really crazy, guys. That is really crazy. I'm going to go ahead and head up the staircase and cry about it, guys. I am going to really cry about this one, guys. Let's go ahead and head on in here, guys. And oh my gosh. Whoa, what is this? This must be like the Oval Office or something, guys, where they talk about all their gaming business, guys, and they talk to like other characters from other games. So President Chicken is like, you know, it's not my problem, Mario. I'm leaving out, and I'm going into Abe Cowio's bedroom, because this actually did used to be Abe Cowio's bedroom, the ex-president. He was actually the 5th president of Minecraft. Let me actually go ahead and light a fire for him, guys. And what ended up happening, what really ended up happening to President Cowio is he ended up getting a cow roll up on a taco truck. And he liked it so much that he actually ended up making himself into a cow roll up and ended up eating himself. And this was his office. I just can't stand the pain, guys. I can't stand to look at it. And this actually used to be his bathroom as well, guys. And this is actually President Chicken's bathroom. And he likes to use this toilet, guys. He really likes to use this toilet like a lot. And then he likes, after he uses the toilet, he likes to take a shower. So, oh, I better get out of here, guys. There might be like some poop particles or something in there, guys. And then he likes to air dry in front of this window, which I would not like to be looking through this window when he's doing that. Because that would be so bad on my eyes. That would be really bad on my eyes. And oh my god, I came back into President Abe Cowio's bedroom. Let me go ahead and shut that. And let's go ahead and head on down through this hallway, guys. I believe this is a hallway. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and head on through this bedroom. Whoa, is this President Chickio's bedroom? Oh my god, guys. Wow, there was some really crazy stuff going on with that chicken. I think he's losing it. I really think he's losing it, especially with that bedroom back there, guys. But whoa, what the heck happened down here, guys? It's almost like somebody forgot to build half of the White House. This was the most important part of the White House, guys, and they forgot to build it. What? It was obviously these two rabbits. Obviously those two rabbits forgot to build it, and then President Chicken kicked them out, guys. That's so sad. That is really, really sad. But let's go ahead and let's head on down the staircase and blow this White House up, guys, because I can't be president. There's just no way, because there's already a president and there's already a vice president, so that really rules me out. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow this White House up, and oh my god, I'm going to sneak up on him and kill him. Watch. Boom, take that, pig. Oh my god, he's running. Oh my god, he's on the run. He's on the run. Whoa, guys, he's freaky. Let me go ahead and sneak up on him again. Boom. Oh, but he's not freakier than me, guys. Let's go ahead and head on outside, guys, and blow this place up. I hope I have enough TNT to blow it all the way up, because this is an absolutely humongous White House, guys. I'd probably just blow the front off of it, to be honest, guys. But let's go ahead and see what kind of damage we can do, guys. Hopefully this reveals that McDonald's that's in the basement that serves those delicious Big Macs with double Big Mac sauce, triple lettuce, and 5 times the cheese. That's right, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wow, that was a massive explosion, guys. Just take a look at the damage this did. Wow, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that.